cash and confetti, $100,000. Hello folks.
All right.
I'm Jim.
Welcome to J3's Historic Moments on his YouTube channel, J3 Video Games. You might see confetti in this. Thank you.
I swear, if he gets grocery game.
Does he think it's pushover?
Nope, it's grocery game. If it's grocery game, I'm putting myself backstage.
No. You don't have to go backstage. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did he go backstage? Yeah. Come back in here, Zach. You can just... I'm trying to think here. I think the most expensive is the baking powder, folks. And we're going to say 99. Nope. 195. I think it was the beans. Or the kidney beans. I think the judges say it's this. Yeah. Kidney beans.
It's probably, we already did pushover, so probably, clock game.
I don't know.
No, I'm kidding.
Let's find
Guess
out.
who got it this time?
It's you, Zach. I know you're going to do it, but let's look at the items. We have...
You one up the wrong Zach.
I know.
You said 3001.
Alright.
You should have won up the one that said 1000.
Yeah. Alright, let's look at the items carefully together.
I know it's not the Musketeers or
Yeah,
the,
what's the first, second, third, and fourth item? We got... I just want to figure this out. That looks like peanut butter to me. The question is, folks, will they find the most expensive item and break the cash
I might
register?
actually try one noodle. Oh.
Matthew's fetish. Is he gonna break the cash register? Oh, 94.
Yeah.
Was that the most expensive item?
Or was it this one? I know it's not the peanut butter. No, I did find
Yes,
the
it
most
was
expensive.
the most expensive. Alright, that's going to the J3 moments. And Zach, you're more welcome to credit me on